Galaxy xcover 3, replacing the screen and the LCD screen underneath. So as you can see, there's no fixings. Trial error. We're done. Take a chip, measure it, just put wherever you want, just peel it. I've done it already, so you just peel along the edge, there you get fixings to dismantle your phone. So my screen is knackered down there in the corner, so I got new parts. So it's the replacement front. That's it. Thingy bob. New screen. Awesome. Next you have to use your pick. I fucking lost it. Alright, choose any plastic. And you have to peel that off. It's quite strong though. Hold on, double-sided tape. See, I ripped it off. See, ripped. It was rubbish anyway. Yeah, that one. That's screw. I'm taking that out. Just pull that shit out. Fucking hell, it's not even coming out. It's clipped. Little clip. I'll clip it. That's it. Fucking never done it before. It's fucking rubbish. Could you take your new screen, plug it back up, pop it out, stick it back up, put new tape if you want, put the sticker up. I might clean it before, after.
Covers, brightens, and it's got UV protection.
Don't forget this
Everything in the morning was as easy.
goes to the back. No. Yeah.
It has to appeal to the heart.
I put buttons in already. Just stick them in, peel them off from the old one. I peeled all the films off. Are you sorted? Don't forget to clean it. Alright. Don't get cracking.